To learn more about what you've seen on this nature program, visit PBS online at www.pbs.org. Major funding for nature is provided by the Park Foundation, dedicated to education and quality television. Major corporate support is made possible by Canon in our dedication to the preservation of nature and its never-ending beauty. In photographs, you can capture the wild and leave it as you found it. By Ford Motor Company. Each year, parts for our new vehicles are made from more than 50 million recycled soda bottles, enough to cover a 400-acre lake shore to shore. Ford, dedicated to protecting the environment. And by TIAA Craft. For 80 years, the thoughtful choice in financial services for people in education and research. TIAA Craft, ensuring the future for those who shape it. And by annual financial support from viewers like you.
Life at the Edge of the Sea is available on home video cassette for $19.95 plus shipping. To order, call 1-800-336-1917 or write to the address on your screen.
This is PBS.